Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can download Metamask on PC. It's a very simple process, so let's start. First of all, open the browser of your choice where you want to download the Metamask app. I'm using Brave browser. Then go to search bar and type Metamask. Among the results, go to the metamask.io website, which is the official site. Then after, you will find a screen like this. Click on this download option. Now you can choose the browser from among the options where you want to add the Metamask app. Since I am using the Brave browser, I'll click on Brave. Then it will take you to Chrome Web Store. Remember that you can add Metamask as an extension only. So click on Add to Brave. Then click on Add Extension. Wait for the download and installation to complete. After the installation is complete, the Metamask app will open by itself. Hence, in this way, you can easily download Metamask on PC. Remember that it's available as an extension only, so you don't have to download any type of software. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.